I think of all you've done for me, how you picked me up and set me free. Your mercy never fails, your love remains. You are faithful through every season and pain. You opened doors I could not see. You healed my heart and rescued me. Now I lift my hands and say, Lord, you deserve my praise today. Imela Chineke, Imela. Thank you, Lord, thank you. Melonia weni, Imela. Thank you, my Lord, thank you for all you've done and all you'll do. My heart belongs to you, Imela Chineke, Imela. Thank you, Lord, thank you. You are the reason I'm still standing. Your grace is holding me close. No genso bue non so. Ibuchine me eni ledi egu. Your peace surrounds me like a river. Your joy renews my soul forever. No one can love me like you do. Lord, I live to worship you. Imela Chineke, Imela. Thank you, Lord, thank you. Melonia weni, Imela. Thank you, my Lord, thank you for all you've done and all you'll do. My heart belongs to you, Imela Chineke, Imela. Thank you, Lord, thank you. Thank you for mercy, thank you for grace, thank you for love that won't let go. Bubegi juputara nelua, narotuto narekele. I'll sing forever, I'll sing your praise because you are good and your love remains. Imela Chineke, Imela. Thank you, Lord, thank you. Melonia weni, Imela. Thank you, my Lord, thank you for life, for peace, for saving me. You've been so good to me, Imela Chineke, Imela. Thank you, Lord, thank you. Imela, Imela, Imela Chineke.